We are in 2024. All of us know car manufacturers, they produce more cars with more options, more trims, new days. And I want to teach you 10 of best options, and they are not very expensive, but make your life easier and make your driving experience enhanced if your car has these options. And the last two are the most important ones that you don't want to miss out. Number one, push button start. We are living in a moment. Saving time is crucial. And security. There's two benefits of having push button start instead of having key to start the car. First, it makes it easier and faster. You don't need to remove the key to put it in ignition, turn it to start the car, or turn it to turn off the car. Sometimes I see people, they forget their key inside the car. These kind of options help you to not lock the car with the key inside the car. Number two, automatic front seat. Unfortunately, in new cars, most of the new options like L, LE, XLE, even limited, they sell you a car with one automatic seat, a driver's seat, and the passenger seat is manual. It's a nightmare for your passenger. It can be your wife, it can be your dad, mom, or kids. It's very hard to adjust the seat manually. Time consuming, and you cannot dial it properly and exactly the way you want. Buy a car with the automatic front seats, both of them, not just one. Number three, automatic door opening. How easy it is to reach the car, pull the door handle, and automatically unlock all doors or one doors the way you want it and just get into the car. Sometimes you carry grocery, your kids, your luggage, or something in your hand. You cannot pull the key from your pocket to press the button to lock it or unlock it. But having these options, you can just pull the handle, unlock the car, and press the button to lock the car and walk away. And again, safer and safer. Safer as far as the security and safer as far as your time. Number four, heated seat. I don't know where you live. You live in Colorado, you live in Memphis, you live in Kentucky, or you live in Georgia like us. We have like month or month and a half cold weather in Georgia, but it's very crucial to have your seat warm up during the cold days. Even if it's not the cold days, I go play soccer sometimes and I sweat a lot. I need something to hold my back warm, otherwise I may deal with the back problem. And I promise you, first, it's a great value added on your car price. It's easy to resell it, and it's a great value as far as the comfortable. Number five, Apple CarPlay. All of us know car manufacturers produce far better cars these days as far as the technology and option, but there is one thing, they couldn't do it properly. I don't know why. Their navigations are sucks, slow as hell. We're living in a time we need GPS, and it's very important. And some people, they use GPS to make money, like Uber, DoorDash, Uber Eats. These are important, crucial for you to understand the direction that you are going. Having cars with a CarPlay that you can connect your phone to the screen is so crucial. First, adding value to your car. Second, save time. Make your job life so much easier. And if you think you will install the used or aftermarket product on your car, I will tell you, you will be disappointed, because we install many of them on people's car. It range from $100 all the way to $500, $600. None of them work properly. Sometimes it's hard to connect. Sometimes it takes time to connect. Sometimes it will not connect at all. Number six, smart cruise control or enhanced cruise control. All of us are familiar with the terms autopilot that came with the Tesla. I know, fully function autopilot. And my car cost $12,000. But most car manufacturers, they produce enhanced cruise control. It means if your car has enhanced cruise control, you can drive in a highway and you don't need to worry about the car pulling to other line, because the enhanced cruise control stay in the line and slow down if there is a car in front of it. But you need to make sure, hold the steering. This is not autopilot. Even if you drive autopilot, you need to make sure you are in control. Make sure next time if you want to buy a car, this car has enhanced cruise control or not. Number seven, these options, it's my favorite. I'm not sure, what do you think? I like the AC knob, the one I can turn and dial, not the button I can press down or press up, because it's very easier to dial the exact number that I want as far as the heat or cold, and it's very easy to do it. It takes time to just press the button, press up, or press down. But dialing, it's so easy, because I have experienced that. I have 2021 RAV4 with dial AC temperature and heater, and I had the 2023 Toyota Sienna with the press button, and I didn't like at all. Number 8. This is one of my favorite. Opening the back gate with foot touch. I've owned many cars, including 2023 Toyota Sienna. It had this option. They added this option so you can open the door if you have something in your hand and you cannot pull the handle. It's so much easier. You swipe your car underneath the car and just lift the back gate. It will open automatically. It was so easier, and they add this on a sliding door too on the side. You approach the car, you go and swipe your car underneath the car somehow, and there is a place you need to make sure you get it right, and then the car's sliding doors will automatically open. This is the great option. I know most new cars have this option, but not older car. But if you buy a new car, just make sure have this option and make your life so much easier. Number 9. Some new cars comes with the Wi-Fi. Even they are weak and they're not enough, like a couple GBs, but they make your life so much easier, because if you're going out of town, you're going and visiting some places without Wi-Fi, you may lose GPS, you may lose communication with others. It's good to have a car with a Wi-Fi in it so you can use it, but make sure don't overuse it or abuse it. Watch long movie or something, because they may not last more than a few minutes. And number 10, my 2014 Tesla Model S had 2 cup holders, and my kids in the back seat, they had to hold on to their cup while we were traveling and driving to get to the destination to get rid of the cup, trash or something. But I bought a new car, 2022 Toyota Sienna. It had 17 cup holders. Cup holders are so important, and USB and USB-C charger in these days, because we have 2 different charging ports. I recommend you next time when you buy a car, ask how many cup holders the car has, how many storage the car has, because it's so important. Car has less storage, it's going to be frustrating for you while driving with your family, with your husband or with your wife in a long distance ride. In a short distance, if you carry a lot of stuff, we have kids, we have a lot of baggage, package, toys, cups we have to carry with us every time we travel short distance or long distance, and we need to make sure having car with the more luggage and spaces and storage and cup holders is more beneficial, and it's a great value on top of your car price. And let me know in comment what's your favorite options in the car, either one of these options that I explained or any other things you may like in the car to have it, or your car has it and you want to share with us. Put it in comment. I'd love to know. Thank you guys for watching this episode. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more episodes like this, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.